Today, dear viewers, so today I will show you how to make kf80 face mask by fabric. Was the making video. Mask measurement: mask length 8 inch, mask with 3 inch middle, mask with side 2/4 inch, side part cut 4 piece, 2 piece, 2 piece, 4 piece, sole part 2 piece, and stitching length cut 7 inch, 1/4 stitching. So first I create pattern. Here I make part fold for pattern making face mask. Mask length 8 inch, 1/4 inch seam margin, 8/4. Mask side length 2 inch, 2 halves 1 inch, 8 inch halves 4 inch. Mask middle height 3 inch, 3 inch halves 1.5 inch, 1/8 seam margin. Mask full part cutting finish. Cut 2 part. Make another copy for side part, same as the sole part. Middle mark. Five eight inch big, 5/8 inch big. Middle mark 1/8 seam margin. Middle mark 5/8 plus 1/4 plus from middle mark. Cut side part. Make fold, both sides same shape and cutting. Sole part, side part, 4 piece. Edge to inside mark 3/4 inch. And both side cut. kf80 face mask pattern making finish. Now I cut fabric. Cutting fabric 2 piece, 1 piece, 2 piece, and side part 1, 2, 3, and 4 piece. kf80 face mask fabric cutting finish. Sole part 2 piece, side part 2 piece. Now stitching part. Fabric inside marking for sewing. Edge stitching on side part. kf80 face masks pattern making, fabric cutting and sewing. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Edge stitching, sewing both sides of mask. sewing both side.